everyone, my name is Midnight Cross, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you 25 free ideas for the power system in your manga, comic or light novel. Please keep in mind that all of these ideas are free for you to use. You can use them to base your whole power system on, you can use them for ideas or prompts, or you can merge certain ideas to create new ideas. Let's get straight into the 25 free to use ideas. My first idea is called absorption. People can absorb and collect powers from others. However, they can only absorb and collect one additional power at a time. My second idea is manipulating the weather. Certain people may have certain weather abilities. Some are able to create storm clouds and others are able to bring out the sun. However, these abilities can only come out when they are feeling a certain emotion, and very few people have learned how to actually use their powers. My third idea is fusing with other people's powers. In this world, powers work best when combined with someone else's. Alone, they might not be very strong, but when their powers combine with someone else's, then they can become stronger. My fourth idea is working with magical animals. Animals in this world may be magical, and they work with flying animals or magical creatures in order to use their abilities. My fifth idea is gaining powers from a mysterious stone. There might be a floating stone which grants unique powers to those who touch it. However, this stone may be very hard to find, and very few have tracked it down. When a bad villain arises, the heroes may need to find this stone in order to have a chance of defeating them. My sixth idea is telepathy with animals. Everyone in this world may communicate with animals, and they are able to use this to help them in their daily lives. My seventh idea is being able to walk on air or water. There may be two planes in this world. The people above can walk on the air, and the people below can walk on water. But those who walk on water feel like they get looked down upon by the air people, and some air people wish that they could feel the water on their feet. Neither sides can interact properly, face to face, but one day someone notices a person of the air and they become friends. The person in the air hovering above them and the person of the water still walking on water. I hope that makes sense. That idea is a little bit out there. My eighth idea is blind people who are able to hear people's thoughts. In this world, blind people have an extra power and they are able to hear the thoughts of others. These abilities remain a secret to them, but one day someone lets it slip. My ninth idea is about people who can cause earthquakes. When there is a battle happening, an earthquake occurs. Through the battles that are happening behind a barrier, these heroes are trying to protect the earth. My 10th idea is powers that develop from people's suppressed emotions. When people hide their emotions, their internal powers build further. Eventually, their powers form from their suppressed emotions, and they can use them to fight the screamers, monsters that are manifestations of others' darkness. My 11th idea is people who gain power from touching an object. In this world, people can gain abilities by touching certain objects. When an object has a memory attached to it, it will glow green. Green energies can charge up a person's powers and help them to use the powers of an object with their abilities. My 12th idea is deities granting abilities to a chosen human. Deities may choose humans to inherit their abilities and become the new deity, but in the process of becoming the new deity, they forget who they were before. My 13th idea is draining or restoring energy. Bad people may gain power by draining the energy of others they touch, but the good people gain power by helping others and healing them. My 14th idea is the world ranking system. The world may have a ranking system with numbers above each person or somehow written on them, and if you defeat a person a rank below you, you can go up to the next rank. Those of a higher rank can get more privileges. However, you can never go down a rank, and some people who accidentally go up a rank may end up feeling excluded as part of that world, even if they wish to be with people of a lower rank. My 15th idea is good and bad powers. At a certain age, everyone gets their powers. Your powers, depending on what they are, may label you as a good or bad person. However, this means that many others judge people before they even have a chance to show who they are under the surface, all based on the powers that they can't control. My 16th idea is hacking the video game. The whole world is just a video game someone is playing. However, hackers are learning how to gain additional powers and privileges. My 17th idea is shapeshifting. All characters can shapeshift once per day, but this makes for some confusing situations. My 18th idea is hacking to manipulate. In a futuristic world, a character learns that they can manipulate some people by hacking into those people's coding. But they are not the only one who realizes this, and there are likely some villains who learn this too and use it to their own advantage. My 19th idea is powers from artifacts. Mysterious artifacts can grant magical powers to those they wish. Someone decides to collect them all and accidentally gains the powers of all the artifacts at once. Then they realize that there are more of these artifacts in different locations around the world that others could find, and it would be catastrophic if it gets into the hands of the wrong person. My 20th idea is the in-between. When people get lost, they may find themselves in a ghost version of the town. In this world, people can also access their hidden powers. Using their hidden powers, they try to make it back towards the real world. Idea number 21 is color rankings. When people are born, they are put into rankings named after colors. In each color, they have a different power. For example, green powers may be related to nature, or blue powers may relate to the sea. You can choose which ideas may work best for your book, or what colors may link to certain powers. My 22nd idea is those who see in the dark. People live underground in this idea to avoid zombies above ground. Humanity can no longer tolerate the sun, and instead they gain powers that can help them to see in the dark. My 23rd idea is powers for the gifted. When people reach a certain age, they get their powers as a gift from someone else. It is passed from a family or a friend or just someone they know. The main character gains their power from a stranger, and when they accept this ability, they wonder if it is more of a curse than a gift. However, they have been given these powers for a reason, and they eventually learn what it is. Powers from birth. A person's powers are written on them from the moment they are born. Others, knowing their powers, treat them differently. The main character had a power deemed bad, and so they were mistreated since they were young. The villain was given a good power and treated as a hero. My 25th idea is people of the air. A group of people have the ability to turn into mist and reform. When their village and people are destroyed, one of them manages to escape and hide as mist in the human world. There are other dangerous people with mist powers, and those who wish to twist it to their own gain. So thank you so much for watching my video today, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know which ideas of these were your favorites, because I would really love to hear your thoughts. I know some of these ideas were a little bit out there, and especially with the fact that some of these weren't only power systems, but also ended up leading to a more developed story that I thought about, but I thought I would just give you these ideas and you guys can see how you can combine these ideas or use them to gain new inspiration for the stories you're telling. I hope that today's video helped you to gain new ideas and thoughts. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.